Okay, when you need manufacturing module is that if you have a product and you have the ingredients and you're going to manufacturing it, in that case, if you're a manufacturer, then this manufacturing module is really important. Okay, in other case you can buy a product or anything, but if you're manufacturing or ordering manufacturing, then it's really important. Okay, so I have a product named laptop. Okay, creating a product named laptop. Okay, can be sold and can be manufactured. It's a stockable product. Unit of measures, unit. Okay, sale price is 100 or 10,000. Okay, fine. Then it's manufacturing product or make to order. You can choose as per your requirement. Okay, suppliers, no problem. Then inventory, no inventory now. Then okay, it's enough. Then I have a laptop product. Then I have its ingredient products. Create. I have a mouse. Okay, it's consumable one. Editing its inventory as 100. Good. Saving. And I have another products. Keyboard. It's also consumable one, but inventory 100. Okay, then I have, which other product we have? Mouse, keyboard, then processor, then it's a consumable product with inventory value 100. Okay, good. And what else? Okay, it's enough, right? Okay, so we had created a laptop, a mouse, a processor, and a keyboard. Then going to manufacture this. If you have a manufacturing unit, then let me see how this manufacturing happens. For that, you first need a bill of material. A bill of material is nothing but that is a listing of the product and its ingredients. Okay, so creating the bill of material for the product laptop. Okay, which one? This. Okay, ingredients, quantity based product. Add an item. Which one is the ingredients? Mouse, simple mouse that I have created. Then keyboard that I have created, and mouse, keyboard, and processor. Good. Creating. I'm listing this as this laptop is having a keyboard, processor, and mouse. Very good, nice. Then you're going to manufacture this. So while I manufacture one laptop, one keyboard, one processor, and one mouse is required. Okay, if you are manufacturing a car, then the case will be different. You need 4 tires, 2 glasses, and 4 or 5 seats as per your requirement and your car's capacity. Okay, with that, the number of ingredients or number of materials required per product will be different. So these quantities represent the number of ingredients need per this product. Okay, per one quantity of product you need this much of one product of keyboard, one product of processor, and one unit of mouse. Okay, going to manufacturing order. Let me see how this is manufactured. I need to manufacture one laptop now, so I'm creating a manufacturing order of the laptop. Okay, very good. So schedule date, you can edit everything. Manufacturing quantity 1 unit. I'm setting it as 2 unit. Bill of material laptop. You can choose any other one as per your requirement. I've created a bill of material for the product laptop. That's why it's created automatically. We're going to consume product. After saving and confirming the production, the bill of materials will be, the ingredients will be automatically coming. Okay, these ingredients are necessary. Okay, then checking the availability. Okay, good, these are available, then producing this. So now the laptop number on hand is 0. Let me see what happens after this production. Okay, this is created. Okay, 2 laptops are created now. Let me check that. What happens to the number of quantity? Laptop. Now quantity on hand is 2. What happened? We have created 2 laptops. And let me check what about the mouse quantity. Yeah, look at this. 2 is reduced from 100. That is 100 minus 2 mouse created for 2 laptops. That's why 98. Quantity processor 98, same as that of the keyboard also. Keyboard 98. Okay, you got the point? Okay, right. Then going to another manufacturing order, creating this. Creating a manufacturing order for the laptop itself. Okay, as a bill of material as laptop, then saving this. Okay, confirming production. After confirmation of the production, I have checking the availability. After checking this, I've seen the one keyboard as a scrap. It have some problem. The scrap is represented here. One keyboard. The keyboard taken to assemble this laptop is having some complaint. Removing this keyboard, I've set it. This is as a scrap one. Okay, one keyboard is scrap. Okay. Have taken another, as I have one more laptop in my warehouse, so I have taken it, replaced it, and so it is represented as one keyboard as scrap. Okay, producing this. Okay, confirming. So I created one more laptop. So let me see what happened with the product quantity. So the laptop number is now what? 3. 2 have created earlier and 1 is created now. So this is 3. So what about the mouse quantity? It might be 97. Why? 2 have created earlier, so 100 minus 2, 98. Now 1 is also created, that is 97. Keyboard. What happened? 96. What happened? That is 100 minus 2. That is created earlier. That is 98. And after that I have created one more. And that will reduce it to the 97. Then why this is 96? Do you remember one keyboard was scrap? So it is not usable, or this cannot be used for any purpose. So it has been removed from their house. So that's why the one quantity is reduced. Okay, then keyboard, mouse, then what about processor? It's a little bit slow. It's also 97. No problem, it's a little bit slow. Okay. So what happened to this? While removing the scrap, that will reflect the warehouse or quantity on hand units. That's what I wanted to explain to you. Okay, after that we have what? After that we have manufacturing units. We have order planning. This will give you a calendar showing in which date which manufacturing order should be completed, and I have this one. The manufacturing order need to be completed in this date M00. That's all will show in this calendar. Then bill of materials, as I have explained you earlier what it is. Then products, you know how to create a product and set its features. Then routing. Routing is nothing but it shows how to manufacture a product. It is shown in the manufacturing bill of material. You can show this is the routing method. Okay, you can choose this. Why you need to choose this? This will tell you what exactly the process and which time is needed, how many time, with how many time you will get the result. For that you will set routing. You can create one more with work center. You have to create one name and production location where you are creating this one, then adding the number. Okay, I'll show you one as I have created edit. Okay, assembly line 1 5, sequence number is 5. This is manual assembly. Its name is manual assembly workshop. The number of cycles is 1. Number of cycle means in how many cycles you can complete this work. So one cycle is required. That one cycle required 2 hours. Okay, this will relate to the work center. What is work center? Work center might be a machine or a human. Okay, that assembly workshop is this. Okay, it can be a material or a human. Okay, or a human. Have set it as material, and working time is 45 hours per week. This can be set from where the working time is represented here, from where we can create this working time. Then efficiency factor. What is the efficiency? It is the efficiency of the resource to complete the task. Then capacity per cycle, the number of operations that can be done in parallel for one unit. So this is represented in capacity per cycle. Then time for one cycle in hours represented. Time before production. Why do you need the time before production? For initial setup in the manufacturing center. And time after production, that you need to have to clean this system. That's for that we need to have a time after production. These are the time before and after production. This is the production time. Then these are the costing information used for the accounting purpose. After all filling, then the work center properties have filled. That's all about the work center. Then in the resource you have working time. These working time masters updation will reflect in work centers, and that will ultimately reflect in bill of material and manufacturing orders. So these are the basic concepts of manufacturing. Manufacturing is nothing but just listing the ingredients just attaching the ingredients with the product, and for one creation these all ingredients will use, and after creation the product will increase and the ingredients will decrease from the warehouse. Okay, that's all about manufacturing. Thank you for hearing. Thank you very much.